Hello, ladies and gentlemen, family. Welcome to Life Mechanic. Welcome to my video. Today, I want to walk you through the installation of hub ABCD tips on how to install hub in Hummer Jeep. It is very rare, but today I want to show you the tips on how to install hub. Which you are seeing from the video. You need to, this is the installation. This is the new hub. So I'm installing it in this car right now. I fixed so many things. The ball joint, the steering arm, the tie rod. I fixed everything. So right now, as you can see, this is the camber that I'm fixing. This is the camber. This is the driving shaft. This is the upper ball joint. This is the hub. This is the camber. And this is the ball joints. You can tighten. You have to tighten everything and make sure your work is perfect. Here's the hub. The work is going very smooth here. This is the installation of hub. Complete tips here. Please, I would like you to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Like and subscribe. Drop your comments. For more videos. This is the ball joints. I'm tightening. This is the ball joint. Subscribe to my channel, please. Work is going on here. Please subscribe. If today is the first time of watching my video, please like and subscribe. This is the shaft. Driving shaft is what I'm about to touch right now. As the shaft knot. This is the hub. Please watch this video to the end, and you will see in this video, you will see how we finish fixing, installing everything, both tire and test driving. Everything is here in this video, because when you finish work as an engineer, you must test the car to see whether work you are doing is good. So right now, in this video, I am test driving it too. This caliper hanger That's for brake. That's for brake. It's the caliper anger. This Homa 2. This Homa 2. No, that's awesome. This is how to fix brake. First of all, you tighten the caliper anger. When you tighten it, you put the brake pads. You put the brake pad clips. Put the brake pads and tighten the caliper. You are done from there. So this is the process of how to fix hub. A, B, C, D tips, A to Z tips on how to fix front hub, front suspension, what it takes to fix in Homa Jeep. So watch this video, like and subscribe, and drop your comments for more videos. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much. Now this is the brake pads. Fixing of brake pads. You must make sure that you fix the clips very well, else it will make noise. When you break the clip touches the brake disc, it will make noise, very aggressive noise. So now we are fixing it. So that's it. As you can see, you're done with that part. Now this is another part. This is another part. You have to tighten the shaft. If you did not tighten the driving shaft, your hub will spoil, because the driving shaft is the one that holds the hub. So as you can see, you must tighten it and confirm it very well. Work is done here. Tire is about to fix. So you can see how heavy this tire is. The tire is very heavy. It's like a bulletproof car. It's like a bulletproof tire, very heavy. So please watch, subscribe, comment. Thank you very much. I appreciate you for watching my video. Watch it to the end. After now, you go for a road test. After now, you go for a road test. Now those are the stones for packing. You need to pack it if you are comfortable.
Please subscribe.
Yeah, comfort else.
Subscribe to my channel to support me. Thank you.
Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Here we go. Here we go. on the road test right now. The car is perfectly okay. All the noises stop. Everything has ceased. Thank you.